Yay! Manong is here. We will make our first inspection of our bao. Tanan! Ini international. We have the Bao Master! Alright, good morning! Actually, lunchtime na. Inawili ako ka chat sa ako nga secret. Eto na po, eto na! Are you excited? Kasi ako excited na! Ari siya. Tapos, I have this one, small na table. It's either you could sit in here, pero ining, I got to put this as a table diri para sa atong yung mga mukbang. So, wala siyang matabo. Ah! Aray ko! There! See? Look at that! Ala, I feel so tall. Alright! So, that's it. And, yeah. I'm so happy. Yay! Got my first ride. Hindi nagli first ride. Second ride. Woo! With our new look. Look at this! And say hi! Manong! Yay! First nga magtughong say hi Manong sa Shell. Diri kami sa Mega World na. So kabalo na ko, it's red daw. Red ang akong dapat ipatughong. Basi ba ipat ko balaw? So red. There. That's favorite color. Black and red. Yay! We will have our first drive-thru here at Macdo Mega World. Bago lang kami nagiging sa LTO. Pero mabalik pa ko ito kaya po yun sa hapon. So kung let's have some lunch. O, diba? At least na kaya na to. Nasunod na nga park. Perfect na ni. Hey! Meron tayong bisita! Hopefully, we will convince her na maging driver na nga. Bago natin yung car there. Hi! So, let's cut her hair. Long hair. All we need is comb and scissors. Alright, ready na ka mo? 1, 2, 3, and... Ah, kala nyo look at that. Tugs. Oh, diba? Perfect! So while we are making the prototype of our cushion, here, please take note of this. If you have plans to purchase a vintage car on an old car, make sure na meron tayong original na ORCR. If wala, since yun nga, luma na nga yung sasakyan na bibilhin natin, malamang sa malamang ay wala na ito. We have to make sure na makakuha tayo ng affidavit of loss from the previous owner. And take note nyo talaga ito. 3 times na ako na humingi ng certificate of affidavit of loss from the previous owner. Kailangan kasi yung affidavit of loss natin mayroong pangalang with undertaking. Take note lang, with undertaking. And there should be a provision that LTO will not be held liable for any third-party liability. Yan, yung dalawang bagay na yan is very important for your affidavit of loss para hindi kayo pabalik-balik. And if you are to take the duplicate copy of ORCR, since nawala na nga yung original, you have to have a publication clipping for 3 consecutive weeks. So, kailangan nyo pa-newspaper na nawala yung ORCR. Then, you have to get a regional certification from LTO and kailangan renewed na yung inyong sasakyan. So, nagpa-renew na tayo last September and now it's November and hopefully will be done before 2020 ends. aton nga ba o kagali ako di haro area para sa akon nga ako so excited! I'm here at Nathan Upholstery. Sa udhanan ni siya, if you could remember ang akon yung vlog with Hungry Deli. Dito na to siya sa punta na di going to haro na. This is the way going Jollibee! And I have my phone now. Pahimo ko na sa akon nga palungkuan sa backdoor sa kato nga car. Alright. Hello everyone. It's pick-up time of our phone. Masakit ang tuhod ko. Wait lang ha. Tempers. Kaya hindi ta kapanaog ang akon nga tuhod. Masakit. Practice ako kagina sa akon nga driving skills sa bao. And yeah, I made it. And now, I'm going to pick up my bao ang akong galing nga ano face shield dali lang git. So muna pakanta ni siya sa Angelico and this road is going to Haro. Yay! Thank you very much, Manang Nita! There you go! Yes, we're home and I have the first lot already. Papakita natin kay Mother Dear ang ating nabili kanina sa Taylay. So sa mga tagilido, akong kinanglan nyo sa mga tela-tela, kadto ka mo sa city proper. Bago na galing ilang, ano ni ha? Bago na ilang store. Ara na sila sa Tabuk. So kung kita nyo ang daan nila nga location, Tabuk lang gid ka mo sa kilid sa Waffle Time na. Medyo napagastos na naman tayo. Pero sige lang. Sige lang. Para sa kagandahan ni Toothless. Yeah, nanay! Here na! There. And this one, look at that! See, nanay! Yeah! There's ako na car! Yeah!
Kaya ka? Di, manong hikop ni sang...
Silingan nga, rin ka mo nagduwa pag yun. Ay, hindi ko sila yung magpasakyon niya. Ginasumog nila. Paano ko rin kapaskamot? Ano ka na di? Mutel? Hindi ka magaling. Hindi ka magaling. Hindi ka magaling. Ano yun? I'm so galing. Dumating na. I bought 6. Yay! Merry Christmas! Tada!
Ay, kami kapaliguan. Karoon lang magbalik.
Ang bako nga na nag-on ako sa ano, gibisto, gid ni nanay. O sige na, bye-bye. Madred. Mabakal nga ni Rida, pero sa akong bao.
Bakal ka, Rida.
Yay! Good morning! It's a bright new day. And for today, magmamanicure, pedicure ang ating Toothless. There you go! This is my favorite here in Giga, kay my waiting area. So, let's watch the movie and wait for our coffee. That's the diversion road, and this is the shop. That's my car, that's my nanay. And we are here at Barangay Cartara. Hey, hello everyone! Good morning! It's a Monday, December 28, and I'm on a leave, and magiging driver ako ngayon ng aking nanay. Magsasara na naman kami ng mall. We are currently here in Daiso and I just realized there's such thing as a chair stop. Look at that. Pero, gumawa na ako for my table, so it's okay. I bought this one. Dagdag natin sa ating kapalon. Yes naman, goodbye remembrance sa Kaluyan. Yay! package is here. Just in time for the Valentine's Day. Kahit wala tayong magbibigay sa atin ng regalo. Yeah, my mother bought me some glass. Kunin ko mamaya. Let's open this one first. This is for my car, for our mobile studio. Malapit na mag 1 year. Hindi pa din tapos kasi parati tayong lockdown. Parati tayong, hindi. Isang beses na naman tayo nag-study. Pero ilang beses tayong ma-lockdown at the province. So, hindi natin asikaso yung sasakyan natin. But yeah, I want something for my car. For our car. Because you're joining me. This is what I bought from Shopee. Uy! Ah, my freebie! How cute! Lagyan natin to ng budget natin for our mukbang. Thank you so much! Light. Install natin to for our mirror. Inverter. Yun. 200 power. Saksak mo siya sa may car. Then, eto na siya labas. Parang extension. Yay! Love it! Tapos meron siyang USB ports. O, diba? So, if ever we have films, we could shoot then charge yung mga batteries. I'm so excited na. Sana pwede na tayong mag-shoot, man. Maraming salamat po sa inyong Peppa Pig. Love it. I'm really loving it. And happy Valentine's. Ah, kinikilig ako. Peppa Pig, thank you so much. Yay! Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day! Nong napagkita kami sa Manibela, sa Quezon Street. So, if you are looking for your stuff sa inyong cars, diri sa may Quezon Street kamo kadto. Yeah! Okay. Bye-bye! We are back at Long Nathan's place and I think that's mine. Come on, let's go! Holster. Kita mo, may pink na akong color sa bao. Bye-bye! Yeah! We'll be checking out my car. Hi, honey! Tan-tanan! Yeah! Yay! Thank you for the squad! Salamat! Hey, mga kabangbang! Magpapateam na tayo ngayon. At our back is Rubeinspired place and we are on our way. In front of me is Harder Plaza and we have here beside our CDC and transport car. Yay! Konting kembot na lang mga kabangbang. We got our light. Yay! From Henry's. Thank you so much, Manang. There you go. There. Puli na ta. I-close naman natin ang Mega World. Yay! Bye-bye po! Yeah, we got our tint change. Mirror na siya from 3M. Thank you so much. Okay, got our phone on. So chilling. So chilling. Morning. Sila, boy. Come on, boy. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Welcome home, Toothless. Come on. Wow. Buy this beddings ni siya dapat pero buta na ton sa aton nga likod sa car and at the same time sa may aton driver seat. Yes, and there's Manang ginapangitaan niya ko sang single nga size. Perfect mga kabangbang, pwede siya sa car seat. Ayos, so mangita kita sang bagay sa aton nga car. I was tempted again for another discount. Pag nag 2,000, may 100 pesos discount. I thank you. Yes, we have another doormat for our car. Thank you nang Carla. Nice seeing you again. Yay! Got my plaka na! this is Halandoni Street going to Blackout Fitness Gym. On this side is papuntang Mission Hospital, Lapas. And we got Scott in here. Alright. Let's welcome Makeover. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. Wow, I like this one. So you know na the plan to our car. Ah, yeah. Mayroon ako. Thingy in our plaka. And now let's have it in our bao. Tanang! Welcome to the studio. Yay! Got there the plaka. Yay, nanay. What's your next project?
Butang ko di mo suraw.
Wow! Yahoo! I'll let you inside. This is the new mobile vlogging studio. Nothing! Rich Mark is still using my lights. Yeah. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Ito, papasok natin dito inside. Let's have this one mounted in here. There. And we could also use this as our lalagyan nitong phone. And that's my chair. And we got another phone inside. Thank you, Nong Nathan. Having this. And of course, ating audio phone. There you go. Thank you so much for joining me in my journey in making this mobile studio. See you around. See you all around in the city of love. There. And wala ko pa buwasaga. Promise, I'll let you see the whole car tomorrow morning. After, para at least my son kita. So once again, yeah!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindutan ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!